And a crackdown on drunk drivers, with Washington State troopers going farther than ever before to keep them off the road. Well, a Spokane teen drove herself right into some serious trouble early this morning when she rear-ended a police car at a Division Street stoplight. 18-year-old Savannah Ashby was arrested on drug and DUI charges. She appeared before a Superior Court judge this afternoon. And KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey working for you now with a look at how the Washington State Patrol is trying to make Division Street much safer from drunk drivers. Jeff?
Nadine, right now we have 6 troopers in this district who are dedicated to DUI enforcement, and that group leads Washington State in DUI arrests. However, the State Patrol trying a couple of other avenues as well, including court-ordered blood draws to make sure that drivers are held responsible for their actions behind the wheel. Police say they were waiting for the stoplight at Wellesley and Division when Savannah Ashby plowed into the back of their patrol car. No one was seriously hurt, and the 18-year-old made her troubles worse by allegedly possessing methamphetamine.
The state believes that driving under the influence of either drugs or alcohol is very dangerous to the public, dangerous to herself, and dangerous to law enforcement.
Ashby's arrest comes at a time when the State Patrol is cracking down on DUIs and making them stick in court by sticking drivers with needles. If a motorist refuses a breath test, troopers are waking up judges, getting a warrant, and then having paramedics from American Medical Response draw blood samples. Right now, AMR is collecting the invaluable evidence at no charge to the state, and that keeps drivers from dodging a DUI conviction by refusing to take blood alcohol tests.
It's a conscious decision to go out and drink and drive. You know, when you go out to an establishment and you're having a few drinks with your family or friends or whatever, and you decide to get in the car, that's a decision you make, and it affects everybody's life.
And so now the State Patrol wants to make it easier for you not to drink and drive by asking the Spokane City Council to establish more taxi cab parking around Division Street bars.
I think it would help a lot, because if there was more spots for taxis to park, people wouldn't have to wait. I mean, they could just step out of the bar, see a taxi there, jump in, and be on their way.
Troopers say they think a lot of people want to make the right decision about not driving after drinking, but if they have to wait around during that period of time they're waiting for a taxi, their lowered inhibitions, they kind of overwhelm their common sense, and then they get behind the wheel. Don't forget, Nadine, we now have a new Uber car service here in Spokane, so you can call for a ride with your cell phone.
Yeah, more options out there. So, Jeff, the State Patrol, will they be setting up specific locations for DUI enforcement?
Well, they let statistics about where collisions occur direct some of the places they put troopers, but they are all now working in concert with the Liquor Control Board about bars that overserve their customers. And so if you go to a tavern where you're used to seeing a lot of people passing up or throwing up outside, it is likely the State Patrol will be patrolling in that area. Reporting live at the Public Safety Building, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.